Look at all the smoke. There's a bunch of forest fires around here, so it's so smoky. You can barely see. Like,
yeah. Technology nowadays. It's gonna be like the AI movie. It's gonna come at us.
I Am Robot.
Yeah, I am. It's gonna be funny. Want me to record you?
Is the soul patch gone?
Yeah, bro. Obviously.
He's babyface now.
Yeah, I am babyface. Feels good actually. Back again. Oh, it's already zoomed all the way out. I thought it zoomed in. You can easily make that a car show area. Like customize it a little bit, make it look spazzy. Customize people's cars.
Look at this.
Right, bro, you can get the gangs up in there.
This would be a perfect spot to start a fight club, and then move it into the basement.
Garbage bins?
Move it into the basement.
Just buy the whole place.
Smell that?
It smells like It smells like some greasy.
Yo.
Say record it, bro. Recording you now. Bro, you should turn around, bro. Get the full shot.
No, that'll get me.
Can I hear my nuts?
Don't want to be like you in the shower one time.
Me in the shower, bro. It's all you, bro. All you with the camera.
Here, let me show them the picture. This picture.
Bro.
Fades twin, like, you know that sound on TikToks where it's like dark and depressing? It's like beep boop boop.
Beep boop boop.
Hold on, I'll find the video on TikTok.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
It's like,
look at this dude. Woo! Bro, yo endurance.
got some hydro power.
Now we got the
Water
guns. Now we're gonna go raid Scotiabank.
We gotta find the garbage.
No, you can just refill it over here.
We are good human environmentalists, and we throw these in recycling.
You should just throw it on the ground for and giggles. No?
That's terrible.
Now we throw out the gun, but we keep the trash.
We gotta fill it with water.
Oh, and then we have a real weapon.
Cheap, dude.
Rono, turtle was on like the 401 highway. Like 2 ways.
Did you run it over?
No, but it was just like waddling its way slowly across.
Go like this. I'll go, like, watch it. Go off.
Whoa! Whoa! You just spent $1.25. Actually, no, two like 25. I think.
Something on this, $2.75.
Yeah, on a gun that's already breaking when you put the mag in.
Don't worry, I'll just go buy another one.
Bruh, I completely forgot I was recording. This thing was just facing at the ground the whole time.
There we go.
Woo. Yeah, that's right. Point at your face.
Think it's loaded?
Oh yeah, totally. Without the mag, you know. You know how it is. Bro, I was so tempted just to like point the camera at that dude with the truck, but he might start
the camera
driving
at
at
my
us.
balls right now.
Oh, is that max zoom? Oh, never mind.
Zoom out, bro. Zoom out.
All the way in. All the way. No, that's too far.
Pop, 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 pop.
Bro, this whole fit, bro, like $5.
$5. The skin goes hot, 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 hot. Skitty skit poop poop.
Help me.
And a poop 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 boom.
I'm not supposed to be here.
What's
I'm
that?
being paid. Bro.
Oh, I look pretty good in this, man. I'm not gonna lie. Come check this out.
Bro, wait, what's that? You look like Rocky.
Rocky?
Yeah, the boxer.
Like from Rocky?
Now we up. Bro, we got Spider-Man right here. Now keep on going, bro. I would go all the way up.
You go up.
Want me to go up?
With the gun.
Why the fuck the gun, bro?
I don't know if I can find this shit. Come on, I was going fast. Don't go all the way up because you can't climb. Jared, you're gonna die. Alright, bye, Jared. Don't fall, you're gonna like die.
Yeah, bro. Should I just jump in?
Yeah, it's only like 4.
Fast fell off.
I remember once I climbed.
Fun.
Dude, is it empty already?
No. Is it even closed properly? Wow, nice $2.75, bro.
I gotta go fill it a little.
Bro, that's gonna give you content 100%. Bro, you just got yourself like 1 view right there, bro. Like, my dad's mad at me because he's like, yo, you should have planned ahead. 'Cause I don't know who's gonna drive you back now. Yeah, I don't think your gun's working, my friend. Bro. Well, that was a good $2.75.
Dude, it's not even.
Bro, why do I like record for this guy, dude? Like, honestly.
There we go.
Bro, it just got all over your camera.
It doesn't even work.
Yo, he's wedding his brother.
Dude, this is stupid. This was a waste.
You're leaking, bro. All over the floor.
Waste of wine.
Maybe if you got the blue one, it would have actually worked, don't you think?
I'm just throwing this out.
I mean, you're lucky it's not like $3.
If it was $30, I'd be returning it.
Scissors now? You got a weapon.
Let me tell you, sorry boy. Let me tell you. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Here it is.
It's room tour. Gasoline, bro. We're gonna burn down some.
That's lighter fluid.
You want to start another forest fire? I mean, what? There's only like 5 around our town already, so let's just add to the collection. Bro, you got the Pride fan, bro.
It's not Pride. There's not even.
There's colors.
There's colors because it was like.
If you spin it fast enough, you'll make the rainbow. They grow up so fast. I'm walking my over there, bro. Just watch like one conservational officer like drive by here.
Nah,
just find us shooting a gun.
First time shooting this in a while. Watch. See this gun? Safety's off.
Nice, Vincent. Is there a cylinder in it?
Oh yeah.
CO2 cylinder.
Yeah. Let's take this out.
I mean, if the pellets slowly move in it, that means it had some air, but not like too much. Shoot it all the way out. Now, if you don't screw it in fast, bro.
You gotta pop the cork.
Yeah. Now you gotta keep one.
Where the cover? Thank you, sir. And put a wee bit. Alright. Test number dur. Let's see if this cylinder works.
Yeah. Now hit one of the cans, bro. Let me see this accuracy.
I'm gonna miss first shot, watch.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you missed it, bro. There you go. There you go.
That one just went.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. Now, we gotta set it up.
Execution. Come.
Oh, no, bro. Come on now. You gotta do far away shots.
Goodbye.
Bro, that's just gonna ricochet.
It didn't even break through.
What? Bro, you started shooting the tip of it?
Oh, I think that's just air coming out.
You start shooting the tip of it, and those things bounce back if you shoot the tip, because the tip's stronger.